Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and this is... I haven't done a Things We're Making Thursday video for a while, and this might be the only one for the theme this month, which is Granny Square. So, actually, we are wearing... thought I'd show you some ones I got done this month, and then some past ones, and we're wearing a past one, so... This is just a Granny Square scarf going. Obviously it's going back and forth. I do have a tutorial for, actually it was this scarf. Actually it featured the yarn, and then as a bonus, sometimes when I do yarn videos as a bonus I'll have a pattern, and this was the bonus pattern in with the yarn video. So I'll have that linked in the description. So here I can show you a current work in progress for the Granny Square project, which I hope to get done in August. It is almost done. Probably see, if you've seen it, it's the poncho. This fringe, oh my god, we're putting fringe on. The crochet fit, it's taken a while, so this is the work in progress Granny Square project so far. So at least we're over halfway done with the fringe. I think if you can see, maybe we're over halfway. So yeah, that's a work in progress for the Granny Square. Probably the first Granny Square project I got done this month. Oh, tangled. Love this bag. It's the Granny Square bag. Actually, it has. I thought it'd be perfect. Hey, I forgot where I got this from. Maybe Michael's? It's like a little pencil bag or something that fits this bag, and this bag, the tutorial for this bag is on my August playlist. If you've been here for a bit, I have a contest going on this month / giveaway. Just check out the August playlist. That'll be in the description, and you'll find this bag. I think I took some liberties with this, but no, I like this bag this much that I did another one, a little bit smaller and a different, like moss stitch Granny Square, and I think I attached these as I went. So yeah, see, this is a cool Granny Square bag too. Yeah, I wonder if this will probably fit in there too. It does, but you can kind of see it. So there that is. I don't know which bag I like. I like both bags. You can hear the truck outside. Oh, and this one, just saw recently, probably one of my last videos, work in progress, is Oscar the Grouch. It's a lovey. This is a V-stitch Granny Square. Oh, sorry Oscar, but... So we made a lovey with that. Oh, that's cute. This could be a thumbnail. Hey, the rest of these projects are past. Thought I'd show you some past ones. Oh. This is the Granny Square bag. Oh, see, the one on the bottom. It won 4 sides, and I think all I did was just attach it with a single crochet around, just to attach it. Yeah, just single crochet handles. So yeah, simple little bag. Keep scrap yarn in it. It's cute. Yeah, just looking around, I forgot how long ago I did this project, but you know, Probably seen these around. It's the granny square. It's a shawl. I forgot how long ago I did this project. It might have been years ago. I don't know if I followed a pattern. I think it's just a matter I figured it out. How to do that. Yeah, nice shawl. I think I may have only worn it a couple times too. Not much of a shawl wearing person, but I like making them. And finally, I have a tutorial on this. It is a big granny square blanket. You know, start with a granny square and then I just made it bigger. Oh, like a granny square blanket. Alright, so that's all for the moment. All for the moment I have for granny squares. I thought I would do more granny square projects this month, but we haven't. So, again, a last minute plug. Not last minute. We're getting to last minute. August is done. So if you haven't seen by now, I have an August giveaway going on. It's the August playlist giveaway. You find up to 3 videos in my August playlist. Send me the picture of the project you got done, and I put you an entry at the end of the month. Or actually, I'll draw the beginning of September. So I'll have that video that describes the giveaway in the description, along with some of the other stuff I just mentioned. Anyway, if you did like this video, give it a like. See more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.